everyone, welcome back to our channel Kulumbai. Today is Sunday, so we are going to prepare a ongla, which is the Boro traditional food. So since I have not tried this dish but though I have ate this dish when I was in Assam, so I just wanted to share a video and I just wanted to try it for the first time, like how to prepare it. So I will be sharing a few recipes, like few ingredients which is required to prepare a ongla. So here it is. So to prepare the ongla, we have the main ingredient is the rice. So we need to make the rice flour. We have tried it with the small basmati chawal only, which we have soaked it. So we are going to make a rice flour of this rice. Let's try it whether it's gonna be or not. And we have taken a one onion and a garlic and a ginger. We are going to paste it, and the few green chili, and we are going to make a onla, that's with chicken onla.
Hello wifey, what are you doing?
Going to make a onla.
Alright, so today she is trying a Boro traditional dish, so which she already mentioned, and for that she is completely decked up today with traditional dress as well. It's not complete traditional. She have a mixture of entire Northeast dress decked up. Half from Manipur, half from Bodoland.
Because it's scorching heat.
How many cloves of garlic?
5 to 6. 5 to 6 with the ginger. I'm gonna make a paste of it. We need to put this also. Green chili. For preparing an onla, the main recipe is the rice flour along with this. This is called khar, which is the extract made it from the banana. I think
Banana
stem
tree.
banana tree.
What we do is we cut down the banana tree and we burn it first. First dry the banana tree after cutting it evenly, and then what we basically do is we keep it for drying for at least a week, and once it's completely dried, it's burned and the ashes are taken out. And what we do is we keep the ash of that banana tree, and then we pour water over the ash and filter it out. So this is called khare in Boro, and without this you won't be able to prepare most of the major dishes in Boro cuisine. And what is chicken called in Boro?
Dao bedor.
Yes, it is dao bedor.
Dao bedor.
Yeah. So this onla can be prepared with
Anything.
different ingredients, like it can be bamboo shoot. It goes best with raw bamboo shoot, and also with chicken.
So what we
Or you can try with radish, that is dried radish.
We're going to make this with radish.
So we got this radish specially from Kalimpong. So it's a complete organic radish.
So we have made a paste of ginger, garlic and chili with the half kilo of chicken along with the red radish. This is the radish which we have already cut it down. I've added a little bit of mustard oil. Now I'm gonna fry chicken first along with the onion and ginger, garlic and chili paste with the turmeric and powder with salt. Onion. Let me fry the onion. Let this onion get brown. Then after that I'm gonna add chicken. I'm doing it in the medium flame. stir it until it gets brown. Salt, we are gonna add a salt later as well. Now we need to fry this for a while unless it gets deep fried along with the ginger garlic paste which we have made it before. I'm gonna put it half only because if I put it everything, then the taste gonna be worst and be spoiled. So I've added only half of the ginger garlic paste. So let it get fried. Let's see.
I'm making the rice flour here, like crushing it. First of all, what I did is I've soaked the rice for around 10 to 15 minutes and took it out, air dried, and then now I'm doing powder. So the chicken is cooked. It's not completely cooked actually. It should be cooked for around 85 to 90% semi-cooked, because we will be cooking it again with the curry. So now in the same oil we are cooking that radish.
Now we need to add a water now.
First of all, we need to put curry.
Just wait. I'm adding a 3 spoons of curry. 4.
And this curry is actually not available everywhere. It's majorly consumed in the Lower Assam, in the Boro area. So I'm not sure if you're gonna get this in the market. So we'll leave it to cook for some time, and after some time we're gonna be adding some water so that it can be boiled completely.
Add more, no?
Yeah. Add enough water for the curry. Now we are going to leave it for boil for at least next 15 minutes till the radish is completely cooked.
Along with curry.
Along with the curry.
Curry water, right?
The curry is basically an Assamese term, and in Boro it's called curry. Okay, so we have the powder now. The main reason why we have grinded it in a traditional way is because when you grind it in a mixie, it doesn't give you a correct consistency, and it will not give you a correct consistency of the curry. So that's the reason. The best way is to grind it in a traditional way. So we are ready with the powder. Let's go with the next step now.
Radish is cooked. Now we're gonna add the. Now we are gonna add the chicken which we have fried it. We're gonna boil it again. Wow, smells good. Yes. Wow, it's smelling good. Now we have added this chicken which we have fried it before. So let's leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. The last ingredient which we're gonna add it in onla is the Szechuan pepper, which is called jabrang in Boro. Now we're gonna burn this with the match stick, and then we'll crush it and put it in onla.
It's lovely.
This is going to go.
It will be a spice, a little bit of minty flavor, a spicy minty flavor.
We're adding a rice flour. I think we need to add only half.
Just make sure that the rice does not stick.
Just stir it.
Stir it properly.
I think we need to add more.
A little bit more. You need to get the right consistency, the right thickness.
We need to add everything.
Now let it cook for the next 15 minutes. We're gonna take a lassi break now. Just leave it, cover it.
It's a scorching heat. Now taking a little break with lassi. Crushing this and jabrang. For the flavor. This is the consistency.
It's smelling so awesome. So see how finally cracked it.
Because this is the only dish which I like it.
You haven't tried other dishes, that's the reason.
That's what.
So
this is the only dish which I have tried it when I'm at home.
Yeah, this is the very popular dish in Boro, and flavor is awesome.
Today's recipe, the onla, is ready now. We're gonna taste it. It looks yummy. Now today's lunch is ready, so we are gonna have it. This is the cucumber salad along with this dale kursani mircha, and this is the powdered pickle. This is a gundruk. This is a fermented rice ag.
So today we're gonna have a lunch from different states, right? This is a special chili from Darjeeling. You can see here, it's very flavorful, and this is basically a pickle, a dry pickle with multiple ingredients like dried radish, beans. There are around 15-16 ingredients of vegetables mixed together. All right, then let's give a try with our traditional food today. Give it a try. Let me see how it tastes.
Let me have this also. This one. Salad.
How is it?
Nice.
All right, guys. So that's all for today. So let us enjoy our food and have a good day.